Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about getTime method in the date object. So, in the last time, we just created a moon landing date with a date, date constructor with a new operator. So now, just paste instead of seconds, just paste time, and what it does, it give you the UTC, the percentage of the time. So this is what it does. And now, and there's one thing, the answer will be in minus. So let me show you. It's minus because you know the January 1 1970 considered as a 000, 0000 GMT. And the farther you go past, it will be minus. So it goes minus and minus, and if you go in the future, it gonna get to like in the present, plus. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.